What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when Windows 11 is not installing OS updates. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Search for Update to access your Windows Update settings. In case you have trouble downloading the update, then navigate to your advanced options. Here, make sure to disable the Download Updates over Metered Connections option. Most of these options should be disabled by default, but just to be sure, make sure to disable them all before trying to download a new OS update. In case this did not help, then make sure that you're using a reliable network connection and restart your PC. Restarting your PC will restart some processes and services, which can help a lot with update issues on Windows 11. In case this did not help, then make sure that you have some storage left where your operating system is installed. In my case, and probably yours, it's the C drive with the Windows icon next to it. Make sure to delete your temporary files by searching for %temp% and hitting enter. Your file explorer will open up. You can safely delete everything in this folder. Some files might remain, so just leave them there. After the deletion, you can proceed to empty your recycle bin to remove the files and create some storage space for your OS update. As a last resort, you will have to use a command to let Windows scan your operating system and make sure that all OS files are complete and working. To do so, search for CMD in your Start menu search and select to run it as an admin. In your command prompt, use the command sfc/scan now. This will take about 5 minutes to scan and prepare your operating system files, which will eventually enable you to install updates on Windows 11. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.